So the MK party has sent a legal letter to President Cyril Ramaphosa asking him to explain his decisions regarding Police Minister Senzo and Firoz Cachalia. Now, this comes after the MK party recently lost their case in the Constitutional Court, where they tried to directly challenge the president's executive decisions. These legal actions follow allegations of corruption made by the KwaZulu-Natal Police Commissioner. The MK party wants to take the matter further by approaching the High Court, but they first want President Ramaphosa to provide full details of his decisions. So lawyers representing Jacob Zuma wrote to President Ramaphosa again, demanding answers and more information. They said these details would help them prepare a proper case to be submitted to the High Court. Zuma is acting in different roles, including as a former president, a taxpayer, a voter, and an ordinary citizen. His lawyers sent the letter on Monday morning and made it clear that the MK party is not letting the matter go. They believe the president's actions must be explained clearly and fully. In the legal letter, Zuma's lawyers asked for the exact date and time Ramaphosa made the decision to place Minister Senzo on leave. They also want to know when he decided to appoint Firoz Cachalia in Senzo's place. So Mr. Firoz Cachalia was sworn in at the Union Buildings on Friday. He's one of two people the president is allowed to appoint from outside Parliament to serve in cabinet. Now, Zuma's lawyers want the president to clarify what Cachalia's exact role is, whether he is a minister, acting minister, or minister designate. The letter also asked how long Cachalia will serve and whether taxpayers will now be paying for two ministers at the same time. Zuma's lawyers want to know if Ramaphosa still believes a commission of inquiry is necessary before he can make a final decision on whether to dismiss Minister Senzo. These questions are being asked because the party wants transparency and answers before going forward with their legal challenge. They are concerned about how public funds are being used during this time. Another question raised by Zuma's lawyers is why Ramaphosa did not promote one of the two deputy police ministers instead of bringing in someone from outside. They compared this to a previous situation where the president fired the former higher education minister and replaced her with her deputy. The MK party wants to understand why a similar approach was not taken this time with the police ministry. So Jacob Zuma and the MK party have given Ramaphosa until Friday to respond to all the questions in the letter. If he does not respond by the deadline, Zuma's legal team says they will file an urgent application in the High Court. The party is using the legal route to continue challenging Ramaphosa's decisions and actions regarding the leadership of the police department. They want the court to review whether these decisions were lawful and followed proper procedures.